Alright, so we're going to get ready to do power steering fluid flush on this. So the way I'm going to do it is the return line is down in here. Let's see if I can get you there. Yeah, it's that one there with the clamp on it. Of course it's not focusing, but so I'm going to take that off, slide this on to the return of the pump, and then I'm going to feed that down into my container, and run all the fluid out as I replace it, and go through the system, and then we'll be good. Okay, so you can see my tube down there on the return line. Return line's right there. So the easiest way to tell the difference between the return line and your high pressure line is your high pressure line's got these fittings on here, the compression fittings. And return line doesn't have any of that. It's just a hose clamp of some kind. So if you're wondering. And it's usually the one on the bottom, but either way. So I got that hooked up. Let's get under here. Oh, that's not good. I thought we were draining into the bucket. Yeah, now it is. Off my crazy loop. The hose won't stay straight. Alright, so the idea is, there's other videos out there, you reference them too, but whatever, this is my experience. So like I said, I got that return hose here, that red one. It just goes underneath the truck. It's actually plugged, so it doesn't allow fluid to escape. And then you take the return line itself from the pump, and you feed it into a bucket. And I shut the truck off, but what it does is as you fill up the reservoir with new fluid, you can flush out the old stuff because it's pushing the new stuff, and then eventually you'll get to when your fluid's pretty clean, and which is where we are now. And you can see mine was pretty dirty, so now we're just gonna get everything hooked back up the way it was, fill it up, and then other thing you got to do, like once you start filling it up, kind of leave the cap off, and then you got to work the steering wheel back and forth, lock to lock. Notice I have the truck in the air because you don't want pressure on this. You got to do it with the wheels up off the ground, and then that'll work out all your air bubbles. And yeah, it does take about 10-15 minutes to do so, but once you're all done, it's I don't know what to call it. It's smooth as glass, so this is totally worth it.